In this video, we are going to talk about Python Pandas library, which serves as the basic building block of data analysis. Pandas is a Python library used for working with datasets. It has functions for analyzing, cleaning, exploring, and manipulating the data. It supports two data structures, series and data frames. In this video, let's talk about series. A Pandas series is like a column in a table. It is a one-dimensional array holding data of any types. So these are the values and these are the index. If nothing else is specified, the values are labeled with their index number. First value has its index 0, the second has its index 1, and so on. We can also specify the series object a name, and also we can mention the index with a name. That is, both series object itself and its index has we can give them a name attribute, something like this. Here we have the series name as population and these are the values. So these are the index and this is the index name. We can access the values using the syntax object.values, and also we can access the index using this syntax object.index. So let us do some hands-on and explore this concept through some examples. So here let us first import pandas and numpy. Import numpy as np, then import pandas as pd, right? Let me run this. Then there are several ways to create a series. So we can create a series using list, numpy array, dictionary. So firstly, let me do using list. So using list, first I'll create a list, okay, for index, and one list for the index values and one list for the data values. So let labels be for my index values, okay. So let it be A, B and C, and let me create another list, my list. My list is just 10, 20 and 30. So I'll run this. Now let me convert the list into a series. pd.series of, I'll pass, this is my values, right? These are my data. So I'll just pass this list here. Let me run it and we can see the series values are 10, 20 and 30. By default the index values are 0, 1 and 2. Now what if I want to change the index values? I don't want 0, 1 and 2. I want to name them A, B and C. So how can I do that? Same way I did it before. Here I did not specify the index values. Now I'll specify the index values as labels. So labels has ABC. I'll specify the labels as index now. Labels, so index is equal to labels. Now if I run that, we can see the index values have been changed to A, B and C. Okay, so this is how we create a series using list. Next, creating a series using numpy array. So first I'll create a numpy array, ARR. Okay, ARR is equal to numpy array. We know how to create a numpy array, right? Numpy array np.array of np.array of I'll just pass 20, 30, 40 as my values. Okay, I'll run this. Then again I have to just convert the array into series of ARR. Okay, that is done. So we got 20, 30, 40 as the data of the series. Now again, if I want to change these to ABC, I've already defined the labels, the index values, right? Index is equal to, I'll just pass this list only as my index values. So let me run this. So 0, 1, 2 has been changed to ABC here. So this is how we create a series using NumPy array. Now the last one, creating series using dictionary. First I'll define a dictionary, D as, okay, key I'll pass again A as the key and its value as 100 this time. Okay, next I'll B as the key and its value as 200. Then C as the key and its value as 300. So this is how my dictionary looks like. Okay, key, value, key, value, key and value. Now let me convert this dictionary into a series. I just have to pass this dictionary here. So series of D, it will convert it into a series. We can see all the key has become the index and its value has become the series value. So this was all about creating the series. Now let us access the values. So let me take this and assign it to a object. So S1, I'll display S1. Okay, S1 has A as 100, B as 200, C as 300. So now if I want to access only the values, that is I want only 100, 200 and 300, how can I do that? That is using this object.values. So the object is S1. I just have to do S1.values. Yes. If I run this, I got an array which is returning 100, 200 and 300. Now if I want values, S1.values, if I do that, I'll get these. Oh, sorry, not values, index, right? Dot index, I'll get the index A, B and C. So while explaining, I also told that we can give a name to the series object and the index. So to do that, first let me give the series object a name, S1 dot name. What do I name it? I just name it my array, my array. Yeah. I'll also name the index also. S1. First we'll have to access the index, okay? INDX. First we'll have to access the index, then its name. Dot name as my index. Okay, and then print S1. How it's gonna look. Okay, it is quite big. I'll remove my index. So index is ABC and the name of the object, series object, is my array. Okay, so that is how we do. And we can also use the index, yes, to access the value. Now if I want what is the value of B, okay, how do I do that? Now S1 of A will return me 100. Okay, I'll have to see, I've got 100. The same way, if I want 300, I'll just give S1 of C as 300. Okay, and also this index is used when we perform some operations like addition operation, right? So this pandas makes use of these index names or numbers by allowing for fast lookup. It acts something like a dictionary or hash table. So let me create two series. Yes, something like this. Okay, this is my first series and this is another series. Okay, so as if we see, this has US, Germany, USSR, Japan. This series has US, Germany, Italy and Japan. This series has USSR, but the second series doesn't have that. This series has Italy, but this series doesn't have that. What happens when we perform addition operation between them, right? Series 1 plus series 2. What happens? USA is here, USA is also here. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Germany, Germany, 4. Let me run this first. Yes. Germany, Germany, 2 plus 2, 4. Then USA, USA, 1 plus 1, 2. Yes. Then you have Japan, 4. Japan, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. You got these three values correctly. You have USSR here, but USSR is not here. So you've got USSR. For USSR, you've got NAN, which means not a number. For Italy also, you've got not a number. So index also plays an important role here in series. So that was all about series, and in the next lecture, let us move to the data frames, which will expand on the concept of series again. Okay? If you've liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.